Did you know there are still more than 500 million assets in remote areas without any proper monitoring or control systems? Monitoring them opens up the possibility of reducing more than 1.6 billion tons of CO2 emissions, saving more than 600 billion litres of water, over 6 trillion on cost for clients, and 100 billion hours of time. And it only requires using IoT devices to simply monitor these assets more closely. While old technologies have attempted to address these demands, they were expensive, suffered from poor connectivity, and were too complex. But in the new age of revolutionary LPWAN technology for battery-operated and long-range communication devices, recent developments in serverless platforms and artificial intelligence, Ellenex is giving the stream a reality with a unique end-to-end architecture that meets these demands, backed by more than 20 years of experience in design and manufacturing of industrial IoT solutions. As a member of LPWAN Group, Ellenex is the first engineering company to have designed and developed fully integrated monitoring solutions based on key LPWAN technologies for almost any industrial asset in remote and harsh environments. At Ellenex, we believe new technology is the most reliable solution for efficient usage of our precious natural resources. We believe that water, air, soil, our own safety and time are the top 5 most valuable assets that have been given to us. And we also believe our fully modular and integratable solutions are fundamental for a reliable, low-cost, and scalable monitoring framework to protect these assets. Ellenex offers more than 4,000 product variations that monitor pressure, level, temperature, water quality, load, flow, and many other parameters. Almost any asset used anywhere in industries such as agriculture and farming, water and wastewater, cities and councils, mining and construction, oil and gas, HVAC and buildings, and logistics and delivery can apply our devices. We made this possible with ruggedized, modular, and integratable designs of our architecture. Trusted by thousands of international clients in more than 50 countries, we are working closely with the key players in the LPWAN ecosystem to make the complexity of the industrial IoT look simple. Contact us or our global partners to discuss your application.